Hey creative, make this the year that you remember and relearn how to have fun. Be crazy with it. Don't worry about the only right ways that there are to create. Experiment. Do stuff that doesn't work. It's fine. There is absolutely no downside if you try something and it doesn't work. Nothing goes wrong. Nobody comes to get you. You don't lose points. Save the cat? Sure. 3-act structure? Sure. But what if you don't do those things? You have freedom. You are not bound by these artistic rules that are the supposed to and not supposed to. You can do whatever the heck you want. And I suggest that you do. This is going to be your year, creative. This is your year to remember how to play. And that means you make up the rules as you go. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.